This is the location of the majestic northeastern blue heron. Seen here in its natural environment, it is standing spread eagle over a water bottle. It's currently invading on the territory of a small sparrow who seems to have given up his attempts for now. He looks. Has prey been spotted? Perhaps. I don't know what I should do. Maybe I should make myself taller. These are the things that cross the heron's mind, especially when on the prowl. He turns. Spotted. Someone is about to become the prey of the heron.